Hi guys, this is a video about making Russian volume fans for lashes. I'm using tweezers by Designer Lashes in this video, being Magic Lashes by Designer Lashes. So I just want to go over how I'm picking them up. When I go to the strip, I pull forward, but I don't take the chunk of lashes completely off the strip, and then I bring my tweezers down closer to the base and I remove them, and then I pop them on the sticky dot. Okay, so I'll go over that again, just pulling that strip forward halfway, bringing my tweezers down, grabbing a chunk, putting them on the sticky dot, and then using the tip of the tweezers to fan these lashes out. If you lose any lashes, I just get rid of them. If it's an end lash, I just remove it, or I don't grab it with my tweezers when I'm picking up. I'm not sure how many are here. Maybe there's 8 in this one. This is a 0.05 fan. So I'll then take my tweezers and I'll clamp down on the lash fan, wriggle a little bit. Have I got them all? Yes. Put them in glue. And then I look at whether it's still a nice fan. I took some shots of pickup from the side angle as well. I really was trying to demonstrate here the angle of the tweezers. You can see how I'm moving my tweezers around depending on the size or the curl of the lashes. Okay, so for this one, you can see I pull it up a little bit, my tweezers are angled backwards, and then I pull the strip or the chunk of lashes that I've grabbed forward, and then I release them down on my little sticky strip or dot. I fan them out, I get a nice fan, so you can see that there. And then I look at where do I want to grab this and at what angles. You can see I clamp down, I might give it a little wriggle, and then I pick up the fan. The base is pointy, not chunky. The reason why I make sure that I'm picking up the fan properly when I wriggle it is because I've spent time picking up the fan carefully, making the fan carefully on that little sticky dot, and then if I was just too rough with picking them back up again and I lost them, that's just time wasted. I'm using tweezers by Designer Lashes in this video. These tweezers I can pick up more and bigger fans with. Thanks for watching today, dreamers. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!